All right, is a molecule polar? So to determine if it's polar, the first thing I need is a Lewis structure. So I'm going to assume these go in the order that they're listed. I also think this is the least electronegative in the middle. I'm counting up how many valence electrons they have. That's from the periodic table. So carbon has 4, oxygen and sulfur both have 6. They're in the same column. So I should have a total of 16. All right, I have 20. So I'm going to need to put some double bonds in or a triple bond, either 2 doubles or 1 triple. I'm going to guess that it should be 2 doubles, and then I'm going to check formal charge to see if that works. So I have 16 electrons now, and all of them are 0. So remember, that's how many electrons do they have from the periodic table. So for oxygen, that's 6, minus 1 for every dot, minus 1 for every line, that's 0. Carbon is 4, minus 4 lines, that's 0. Sulfur, 6 minus 4 minus 2, 0. All right, so this is a linear molecule. I have to know that for one thing. And I see that both of them are, pointed in the canceling out directions. But oxygen and sulfur will certainly, they're right on top of each other. They will certainly not have the same electronegativity. You could look that up if you have that available. If it was on an exam, you wouldn't have that available. So you would know, though, they can't be equal if they're in the same column because there's a trend, right? Oxygen should be higher. So if they're not the same, then they would not cancel completely. And so this would be a polar molecule because the polar bonds are different.